Hi everyone, welcome to Daily IELTS English, where I'm going to quickly show you some techniques for answering the questions just like you're going to face in your IELTS test or just generally in good English conversation. I'll start with the technique first and then I'll demonstrate using my own answers. Let's take a look at the question first. How important is it for local governments to look after popular tourist attractions? The technique I would like to show you today is how to use if to show the effect. So we're looking at this idea first. How can we use that word if and what are the effects? The idea is not just the grammar. It's also how to program your mind to automatically think this way. The word if can be very helpful for your IELTS test. It's going to help you extend your ideas better and get that higher grammar score. You'll also notice a little bit of how I can use if to improve my pronunciation score. I'll talk about that a bit more later. Now first, let's think about this question. This is a position question. It's looking for a yes or a no or it depends for the answer. In this case, I'm going to go with a yes. Now this is very important. You do want to have clear positions when you answer. I teach a lot of ways to extend answers in a position question. If to show effect is one of them. So first of all, I'm going to give a clear answer. Then I'm going to extend with if. So the question is, again, how important is it for local governments to give support to popular tourist attractions? Here's my answer. It's very important. Tourist attractions bring a lot of money, and this helps take care of the area. This provides revenue to not only the tourist attraction, but the local economy. And so this revenue then can be reinvested by the government into the area. So they can take the tax revenue, they can take some of this money and help develop the area more. This is going to help people have more jobs and earn more money. This is also going to help people maybe feel proud of the area. The local people will feel better and they'll take better care, and that'll make it a better experience for tourists who come to visit. If the government doesn't help with this, if the government doesn't invest money in taking care of these places, then we're going to see the opposite. There will be less money and there's going to be less jobs and less reinvestment of that money. So if governments want to improve their economy, if they want to develop the local community and develop these attractions, they need to support them financially. All right, so there you could see how I was using if to show effect. Then at the end, I also showed the reversal. I'll talk about that a bit more, but I'm able to say what happens in the opposite situation if they don't reinvest. And this is one thing that can really help you develop your ideas and complete the ideas. All right, everyone, thanks for watching, and please remember that language is a habit, not a skill. That means you must practice until you get it right, and then keep going until you can't get it wrong. Please also tell me a little bit about popular areas where you live. I'd love to read them down there in the comments below. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.